10 mistakes I made building my container home. Welcome back to Viana Home. Have you ever scrolled through social media and thought, that container home looks amazing, I bet it's so easy to build? It's a common thought, right? But the truth is, a lot can go wrong. Today, we're talking about the 10 mistakes people make when building a container home so you can avoid the biggest headaches and build your dream home the right way. Mistake 1. Ignoring local building codes. This is a big one. You can't just drop a container on a piece of land and call it a day. Every city and county has their own building codes and zoning laws. You need to get the right permits and make sure your plans comply with local regulations. Skipping this step can lead to fines, forced demolition, and a major loss of time and money. Mistake 2. Buying the wrong container. Not all containers are fit for a home. The biggest mistake is buying a cheap, as-is container. These have often been used for years to transport all kinds of cargo, including chemicals, which can leave behind toxic residue. Always opt for a one-trip or new container. They're a bit more expensive, but they're cleaner, more durable, and worth the investment for your health and safety. Mistake 3. Cutting too many holes. Containers get their strength from their corrugated steel walls. When you cut large holes for windows and doors, you're weakening the structure. A common mistake is not reinforcing these openings with steel frames. This is crucial. Without proper reinforcement, the container can warp or even collapse over time. Mistake 4. Poor insulation. This is a deal breaker. Steel is a great conductor, so it will get scorching hot in the summer and freezing cold in the winter. Trying to save money on insulation is a huge mistake. Without a proper thermal barrier, like spray foam insulation that fills every nook and cranny, your energy bills will skyrocket and your home will be incredibly uncomfortable. Mistake 5. Forgetting about rust. Containers are built to handle ocean voyages, but they're not immune to rust. Over time, moisture and humidity will cause rust to form on the steel. You must properly prepare the surface with a rust-inhibiting primer and a high-quality exterior paint. And remember to do regular maintenance checks to prevent any small spots from becoming a big problem. Mistake 6. Underestimating the cost. It's easy to think a container home is cheap, but the price of the container itself is just the beginning. You have to account for the labor, insulation, windows, doors, electrical, plumbing, and a foundation. These costs add up fast. It's a mistake to go into the project without a detailed budget and a 10 to 20% buffer for unexpected expenses. Mistake 7. Not planning for plumbing and electrical. This isn't like a traditional house where you can easily run pipes and wires through the walls. With a container home, you have to carefully plan your plumbing and electrical layout before you install insulation and drywall. Trying to fix this later is a nightmare. Make sure to consult with a professional who has experience with this unique type of construction. Mistake 8. Ignoring proper ventilation. Condensation is a big issue in a sealed steel box. Without a good ventilation system, you can end up with moisture buildup, which leads to mold, mildew, and poor air quality. Make sure your design includes proper airflow and a way to manage humidity. Mistake 9. Not considering the roof. Don't just leave the container's flat top as is. Water can pool on the roof, leading to rust and leaks. A simple sloping roof, even a small one, will direct water away and protect your home. It's also a perfect opportunity to add solar panels or a green roof for extra insulation. Mistake 10. Going it alone. Unless you're a seasoned pro, trying to build a container home by yourself is a huge mistake. You need a team of experts, including a contractor and an architect, who have experience with container construction. They know the unique challenges and will ensure your home is built safely and correctly. Building a container home is a rewarding adventure, but only if you avoid these common mistakes. By planning ahead and doing your research, you can turn a simple steel box into the home of your dreams. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more home design inspiration from Viana Home. We'll see you in the next video.